Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 16. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 16th episode of Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche for today is the Dogecoin Cool T-shirt. We all know that in the past few days, Dogecoin has soared. Cryptocurrency has been doing well. For those who invested in Dogecoin, they became millionaires overnight. Although I don't invest in cryptocurrency because it's too volatile, I don't want a situation where I can lose my money overnight and become a millionaire overnight. Although becoming a millionaire overnight sounds good, I want a situation where I'm not sure of my money. That's the reason why I don't invest in Dogecoin. But those who did, they have become millionaires overnight. Congrats to them. But for those of us who are focusing on print on demand, our job is to follow trends, and definitely Dogecoin is a trend. Now, Dogecoin t-shirts have been doing great over the weekend, and there are still some people are still purchasing it right now. So let's take a look at the statistics of this t-shirt. So it's just a dog with these cool glasses and the word Dogecoin. Is priced $14.99, over 169 sales, over 40 reviews. So if you scroll down, we'll see that the overall trend is up. And here are the keywords that are soaring with this design right here: altcoin, Dogecoin, sunglasses, comic, and all the like. So here are similar designs from other people. Moving on to the second niche. Actually, this is not a second niche, it's another design from another Dogecoin design. And this one says Dogecoin to the moon. And to be sincere, I don't know why it says Dogecoin to the moon, but obviously we'll have to do our research if we want to make a t-shirt. But obviously these t-shirts are doing very well. This one is priced $19.99. That's about $5 royalty, yeah, and has over 149 sales and 26 reviews. Let's take a look at the statistics or the BSR. Overall trend is down. Although overall trend is down, but we can tell that this t-shirt is doing well from, or this niche, we can tell that this niche is doing well by taking a look at this one. So it all comes to the design. So it's obviously trending, this Dogecoin design. So here are similar designs from the same brand. It is Doge to the moon on a phone case and on other t-shirts. Moving on to the second niche is Black Lives Matter. We all know that in the past week there have been incidents of racism, especially to the Black and Asian community. So the t-shirts that have Black Lives Matter or Anti-Asian Lives Matter, they have been really doing well. And this is just an example. It says Black Lives Matter, although I wouldn't advise you to use the word Black Lives Matter because it has been trademarked. I'll advise you to make a design that is similar to this without those words. For example, you can say colors don't matter. It's still related to Black Lives Matter. Yeah, because we all have different shades of our skin, which is yeah, we all have different shades. We all have different shades to our skin. So the BSR says the current trend is up, obviously, and keywords here. The keywords you can use: Black Lives Matter, right, civil, t-shirt, and all the like. Here are similar designs, and here are similar designs from the same brand. This one is on a hoodie, and this one, I'm not sure what it is. It seems like a pop socket, I'm not sure. And this one is just hashtag BLM, which I wouldn't advise you to use too because BLM too has been trademarked. Moving on to our next niche, niche number. Oh, this is not the same. This is not a different niche. This is the same niche with a different t-shirt design. This says Black Lives Matter. Is just a virtual design on a sunset. It looks virtual like and on a sunset. So we all know that designs with this sunset at the back, they really do well. I don't know what it is about the sunset, but it really does well. So this t-shirt is priced 18.98, sold over 128 times and over 592 reviews. So anything with color really pops, guys. That's just what I'm gonna advise you to do. If you have the opportunity to throw in a little bit of color on your t-shirt, go ahead and do it. So here's similar designs from the same brand. BLM, Black Lives Matter. This one is on a hoodie. This one is on a hoodie. So we're moving on to the next niche. That's the third niche. We all know that Mother's Day is coming up, quickly approaching. So Mother's Day t-shirts are also soaring. This is an example of one of them. Mama Soros. I check Mama Soros. Mama Soros is not trademark. So this is a great design that we can get inspiration from. And it features a dinosaur with some sunshades and a retro. You know what I said about the retro sunset design at the back. So the t-shirt is obviously doing well, and it's priced at 13.97, over 107 sales, over 32 reviews. So here's the BSR of our trend is up, current trend is up, and here are the keywords that you can use: dinosaurs. I would check T-Rex. I think T-Rex is trademark, guys. So you have to be careful when you're using keywords because that's what gets rejection. Your design can be okay, their design can be made by you, but the words that you use can get you rejected. So you need to be careful and do your research thoroughly. So scrolling now, here are the designs from the same brand. This one says Bonus Mamasaurus. I'm not sure what that means. But Daddy Soros, obviously, this should be for Daddy's Day or Father's Day. And this one too, Daddy Soros, yes, was for Father's Day. So that's how you do it. Or maybe you can switch this to Auntie Soros, which would be maybe for an aunt's birthday or something. And maybe Uncle Soros. I'm not even sure if that exists. Let me just scroll. There you go. Oh my goodness. So it was just a thought, and obviously the brand owner had the same thoughts going to my mind. And here it is, Uncle Soros and Auntie Soros here. Maybe Grandpa and Grandma Soros, daughter, sister, brother, no grandma yet. But I'm guessing, oh, there you go, Grandma and Grandma. So we haven't seen Grandpa yet. Grandpa, all right, there you go. So the person or the brand owner has obviously gone through what I was thinking and reproduce the designs on other products because this is a pop socket here, and also reproduce the designs for other members of the family. So that's what you should be doing. If a design is doing well for a particular member of the family, it will obviously do well for the rest of the members of the family. So that's just a tip right there. Moving on to the next niche is the graduation niche. Let's check when graduation. Anyway, graduation is happening for different people. It's happening for people different times, but obviously we know that people are gonna be graduating this year. And this one is a little bit funny design. It says, I graduated. Can I go back to bed now?" That's a little bit funny because we all know that assignments keep you awake, and after graduation, you can sleep as much as you want. So this design is priced 15.95, over 103 sales, 480 reviews. And scrolling down, we can take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. Here are the keywords you can use: graduation, year, graduated school, senior, daughter, brother, sister, hilarious, and all the like. Similar designs. Look at this one. This one is Black Lives Matter and some two hands. Yeah. I didn't really like the design myself, but as you can tell, other people don't like it too. No sales yet. So let's move on to the next design. This is still the graduation niche design, and it says proud mom of a class of 2021 graduates. So this one is priced at 13.95, over 71 sales, 41 reviews. And as you can tell, the overall trend is up, current trend is up. People will soon start graduating if they have not already started, if they have not already graduated. So here are the keywords you can use, just like the previous design. And here are similar designs from the same brand. Proud sister, grandma, aunt, and all the like. Just like I told you before, if it works for one member of the family, it will obviously work for the other member of the family. Moving on to the next niche is Daddy Sorrows. Like I told you, this is Father's Day niche. Father's Day, although it's in, I think, is it May or June? Yeah, it's June. I think Father's Day is in June, but the designs are already doing well. Daddy Sorrows is an all-rounded design. It can serve as a birthday gift. It can serve as a Daddy's Day gift or Father's Day gift. So it's an all-rounded design. It's going to be selling all through the year. So this is a great example of a design that you should strive to make. Not only a design that says Happy Father's Day, but a design that can be used for Father's Day as well as birthdays and all the other gifts that you can give to your father. So here is it has over 39, it's priced at 13.97, over 76 sales, and over 20 reviews. And the BSR overall trend is up, current trend is up. Here are the keywords you can use: daddy, birthday, retirement, vacation, and all the like. And that is sorrows too. Yeah, you can use that keyword. So here are similar designs from the same brand: Antisaurus, Grammosaurus, like I showed you in the previous t-shirt design. I will obviously see a Mamasaurus here. Yeah, there you go, Mamasaurus. So here it is, Mamasaurus. So the same design is doing great in all the family members, from the daddy to the mama to the auntie. It's been doing great. So moving on to our last niche of the day is this Dadzilla t-shirt. It says Dadzilla. Obviously, Godzilla is not trademark, but Godzilla is trademark. So you have to be careful if you want to make this design. And you see that retro sunset design that I was talking about. I don't know what it is about this retro. I guess it's the colors of the rainbow, but it really makes your t-shirt design pop, especially if you're putting it on a dark color t-shirt, which is what you should be optimizing your t-shirt designs for. So it says Godzilla, and it's from the Godzilla movie. I think it's Godzilla versus King Kong. It was released just, I think, 2 weeks back. Yeah, it really made headlines, over 2 million plus searches. Yeah, people really wanted to watch the movie. I did watch the movie. It was just some two monsters fighting, and yeah, it was a thriller. It was nice, and obviously someone said that Zilla will be a good design to make, and they did. It's obviously a great design. And if you find a t-shirt like this, that Zilla, there should be obviously another t-shirt with maybe Mama Zilla or Mom Zilla, and maybe I'm not sure of Sister Zilla, but that's just a funny thought right there. So let me quickly look at this and scroll to the bottom and see if there are other designs from this niche. So just a quick reminder, don't use anything related. Don't your keywords and listing should not say anything related to a movie or anything related to Godzilla, anything related to that. So you see the description here. No description. One bullet point. It says Godzilla, father of the monsters. Rachel Son said Godzilla, Father's Day gift. The title says Godzilla, father. The same thing. It's actually the same thing. And it says, so there's nothing related to Godzilla that you really have to be careful when you're making designs like this, because someone can think that it is related to Godzilla movie and take your design down. So it is priced 1995, over 77 sales, 167 reviews, and scrolling down, overall trend is up, current trend is up. Yeah, the keywords, very few keywords that were used because this person is playing it safe, as you can see. So if we scroll down, I was actually looking for similar designs that has to do with Mamazilla or maybe Momzilla, something like that. But it seems like the author of this design hasn't thought of making it. So that should give you an edge over this compositor, over the author of the design. You should create maybe a Mamazilla, maybe a Siszilla, yeah, maybe Sister Zilla or Siszilla. So I don't know how that's gonna look, but it sounds kind of great to me. I think Momzilla will be the best instead of Mamazilla. Anyway, you can do two designs if your own design is great. So if the design sells, maybe Momzilla's, I think you should make Momzilla and Mamazilla and post it and see if it makes any sales. But if it makes sales, I think you should go ahead and make for the other members of the family, maybe like Siszilla or maybe Brozilla instead of bro call it shop. So that's just my thoughts on it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pin on Demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.